Okay, guys, I did say I promised I wouldn't do tonight. I wouldn't do Gacha, but I'll just do a few of them, okay? It's not gonna be often I'll post this. So, guys, here's a dance that I just learned how to do. Here's something I tried. This way? Actually, let's begin this normally. Well, first you have your character in this position. Then go to that one. Do you see the dance between it? I already took the screenshots. Maybe you can see what's from there. I know this isn't very good, but I tried. You can't say I didn't try. This is made with my phone, so of course it's gonna be worse. Now let me just go to... I made the wrong button. I pressed the wrong button. And let's go to settings, editing, and fill. And now we'll go to photos. Aw. Boom, 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 boom. Yep, it's like that, guys. It's like that. So let me just make this a bit more, shorter. It's a dance, okay? We're not trying to make the video be forever, right? Darn it, I did it too wrong. See? If I put this on loop, it would look amazing. See that? I may add this to a new Gacha movie I'm trying to make. So guys, my channel will be a mix of everything. Some of my songs, some of my Gacha, some of my Minecraft, some of my Roblox, and some of my YouTube. I'll make a different series. I'll just put it in playlists. This will be part of the Gacha playlist. See? It looks beautiful. And look at that fluffy. And look at that cute little tiger I added. Ta-da! And that's how you do this dance. I'm sorry if I wasn't clear on it, guys. Hope this becomes a new dance to become of the Gacha community. Bye!